shoulder workout.
So this is the warm up for the shoulder. So we should hold the hand stiff and rotate back and come back to the same position. So it should be done both the side each. So who all know the handstand, push up and all, we can do that and do as a warm up. Here we start with the first variation. So first variation is shoulder press with single hand holder. So it should be done one side of 10 and other side of 10. So it should be done of 3 sets each. So who want to get more effective, we can increase the reps more. Always the hand should be on the right angle or like 90 degree. You should keep that, don't forget that. So done. So this is the second set. So it's lateral raise. So you should do like 15 of 3 sets each. So the workout will be like this. So keep the elbow bent and it should be like straight. So this will be more intense one. So who all want to do lateral raise or separate more intense means you can do with this, okay? And please keep motivated and try do hard work so you can get the best result. Ready with the third set. So this is the third set is like front raise. So we are going to do right now. Come, let's start it. Let's get started. So hold one hand for 10 seconds and other hand should be done 10 reps. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we should do with the other hand. So this will be a bit intense. So who all have shoulder problem, please don't try to do this. It may hurt your joints. So let's hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here we go with the fourth variation, dumbbell bending over raise. So it should be done like this. So do of 15 of 3 sets each. So keep on doing guys. So keep on doing with us guys. So here we are with the last variation. Fifth one is struts. So here we are going to start. So struts we should do like 15 reps. Keep on doing guys. So you do more, 5 more, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now we should rotate frontward 5 round. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and backward as same. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yeah guys, so the workout is done. So finally we have completed all the workouts. So if you have any suggestion or something, you can just comment below. And other than that, if you have any doubt also, and you can tell me some workout what you wanted. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next video.